What is going on YouTube? This is Kellen with Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys are not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button and give us a big thumbs up on today's video. We have something very special today. We're going to be doing a first look at the Focal 1000 series. We're going to be unboxing the 1000 LCRs, the 1000 in-wall 6s, and also the 1000 series in-ceiling dedicated Atmos speaker. So that's a new product. It's gonna be super exciting. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you don't miss any of that content. But let's get into it right after the intro. All right guys, welcome back. We're gonna be unboxing the Focal 1000 series in-wall 6 in today's video. This is what we have right here in front of me. We are authorized dealers for Focal products. Let's get into it. So with this speaker here, this is somewhat replacing the older Electra series. This is currently the only speaker that Focal offers that is a sealed back speaker. The 100 series, the 300 series are all open back. This is gonna have that sealed speaker that you put in the wall. So just right on top of here, we have some documentation. Nice unboxing presentation here. Just a quick warning, make sure you do buy this from an authorized dealer. Technologies in these new speakers require a running period, meaning you're going to want to run these for a little while, get them broken in, and they're going to sound a lot better. Just a quick instruction manual here as well. Let's open up this box on top. If you guys are putting these speakers in before you paint the room, it does come with a magnetic paint cover so you don't get any paint on the speaker if you guys are painting the room. And then also inside is the paintable grill. Obviously this is white, but this can be painted any color to match the room. And lastly, the cutout template. So this is the size of hole that you're going to want to cut out in the room so the speaker slides right in nice and easy. Continuing on to the speaker itself, the Focal 1000 series also features the beryllium tweeter. This thing, guys, we'll get this out of the way real quick. Set the box down. This thing is super nice. If you guys want a small Sopra in the wall, this is your deal right here. So right up top, just looking at it, we have some nice Focal branding here. The 6-inch woofer, this is the M sandwich that is in these Sopras, in their towers. The beryllium tweeter down here at the bottom. With this one, you can pivot it left and right, up and down. This very nice, get that angled towards the main listening position. And then down here as well, you also have a toggle switch for a negative and positive 3 dB. Spinning this speaker around, you have a fully enclosed speaker. This is gonna help the frequency response throughout. I can't wait to get these things plugged up and see how they perform. Just a beautiful, heavy in-wall speaker. Very, very high quality from Focal. Up top here, we do have the 6-inch M sandwich cone woofer. This is the same material that you're gonna see in the Sopra and up with Focal. This is also the first speaker that has the beryllium tweeter with Focal. The 100 series and the 300 series do not have beryllium. The 1000 series does. It also features a pivoting tweeter so you can do left, right, up, down to get that dialed into the main listening position. And that's a nice feature there. Down here on the bottom right of the speaker, you have a plus and minus 3 dB toggle switch. And then we have the Focal logo on the bottom left. This thing retails for $17.99. And I cannot wait to get these things installed, see how they perform, and give you my first impressions on these as well. Today, we're just gonna do the unboxing. If you guys see anything on our channel that you guys are interested in, be sure to reach out, show your support. That's gonna do it for today's video on unboxing the Focal 1000 series in Wall 6. This is Kellen with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.